So, welcome to this new series where we will discuss about the journey and the passion about photography.
Good to meet you guys on this new series. Hoping for a good discussion and sharing our perspectives.
Just trying to share our experiences, the goods and bads about the field related to photography. Hi everyone, my name is Anand.
Hi, this is Rajiv here.
And hi, my name is Manav. Basically, this videos and series are related to photography and passion about photography. Let me ask my colleagues first that what brought them to photography field, how they are doing, what are their backgrounds right now. So, Anand, can you share your background? Why are you doing photography? What motivates you? And also your Instagram handle at last.
I am basically a chemical engineer working in a private firm, which is my full-time job. Photography is just a passion, started with a hobby. I started doing this since past 15 odd years. And currently, what I love to shoot is landscapes and wildlife photography. My Insta page is Anand Mohekar. You can find it, even though I don't post regularly, but you'll find some photos there. Okay. I will now invite Rajiv to brief
Yeah,
about something, his background, what he
sure.
loves to shoot, and what his Instagram page.
Super. No, thanks, Anand. Hi, guys. This is Rajiv here again. So I come with almost like a decade plus years of consulting experience. I'm basically an engineer like Anand Bhai and did my MBA after that. Uh, and then I started my career with a consulting firm. And of course, with a consulting firm, there is a lot of travel that is involved. So my journey with photography actually started way back in my MBA days when there was a very small interest that was formed within some of the students, some of my batchmates, and they had formed a small interest group called Tripod in my college. That was the initial I would say seeds which were laid, and it got me interested. I was studying in Kerala, so obviously there was a lot of nature around, so that kind of inspired me. When I looked at their pictures, I did not have a camera at that point of time, and of course we didn't have as fancy smartphones like we have today at that point of time. But when I started my job, I myself was traveling a lot. So I thought, why not buy a camera? And of course that was my first job, so I was earning. My core interest or my passion still lies with wildlife. So that's where my photography journey. Of course, there's a lot more journey. I ended up doing a course at National Institute of Photography with Manav and Anand. But yeah, it's been a great journey. My Instagram handle is Glass Element. The Glass Element. I do not post a lot, but I hope to revive my page more actively going forward. But yeah, it's great to talk to you guys. So Manav, how about you? What's your journey been? I know you're the most. You've followed the passion the most amongst the three of us. So interesting to hear your journey.
Initially I started liking the gears first, frankly, loving the cameras and all. So so to reach that particular level, I did my commerce, I did my CS and LLB, but I'm not working as CS and LLB now. I'm working in an IT company where we design softwares. And I had a dog. I had a female dog, so I used to click her pictures with my mobile phone. So from that day, I used to understand that lights are more important rather than megapixels. And eventually, I got a Nikon small point and shoot camera. Then I got a DSLR to understand the manual mode and all those features. I used to YouTube and all those things. But used to love clicking street photography. Street was my main thing to click that time, then which I did in Mysore a lot. And then I started clicking other genres of photography such as food, and commercially I started doing about the wedding candidates and portraits and baby shoots and real estate photography and so on. So I'm doing and keep on learning, same like Rajiv and Anand. I'm still learning, and maybe more areas like videography and cinematography may be the thing which I would love to do. And I used to have to upload a lot on Instagram because to get more business and to because you
Yeah,
know that we have to
yeah.
upload. So my I have regularly uploading on Instagram, and my Instagram ID is Themes by Manav. I have one more ID, Manav Portraits, where I upload only black and white portraits.
Yeah, that's the new one you started.
So yes,
Yes.
yes. So
Yes.
Rajiv, Anand, related to this only, we may focus our series based on this particular discussions further in detail. So the viewers which are watching us right now, let us highlight some of the pointers about our future series, such videos. This is just an introduction video from our side. Let us highlight some points. No? So Rajiv, can you share few?
Yeah, so I mean, just to set the context of this series, really we wanted to connect with you, those who are on Instagram would see all professional photographs and people who are very established and doing well, and you see very fancy photographs. But really, this series is to address or reach out to the really budding photographers who typically are doing this as a passion along with their main job or a side job. So it's really to share, and all the three of us are in the same boat. We are doing one job, we are pursuing this as a passion on the side. So we would really want to share our experiences, our journey, our perspectives on several topics that will typically come in your mind. So some of them which we have thought of, and of course all this will keep evolving. We'll start off with understanding how we picked up photography as a passion. What was our motivations? What were our inspirations? What kind of photography we like? So many different fields, subfields within photography, so which is very interesting for everyone to discuss. So we'll pick up a couple of topics like this. Since how long we were doing photography, how to pursue this, how to keep working on this along with your day job. So that's some of the things we had in mind. Ananda, do you have any thoughts on what all we can talk on?
Yes, apart from what Raju said is about how about nurturing our passion, irrespective of doing what we are doing, whether we are liking it or not, whether it may be a job, a part-time or full-time job, but how to pursue our passion and how to continue it so that it remains
Alive.
creative for you, and it also helps in seeking the solace for our mind. Okay, so apart from whatever the experiences we are sharing, what I personally feel is right nowadays, like every second or third person always has a better camera in their hand, maybe because of the digital market and digital phones, which are the smartphones actually. So then the question arises, do we really need a camera? A DSLR camera, a mirrorless camera, or point whatever it is, or a simple mobile phone with a good configuration will act as a camera. So we will have a bit of discussion on this topic as well, related to the gears as well, of about some prime lens and focal length varying lens. This is all we will try to share. It's not about a huge discussion, but it's about sharing our knowledge of photography.
Correct.
Yeah. And maybe I think Mana also will have certain points to add.
Sure. So in addition to what you people shared, we might share about the editing processes, whether editing is required, how much editing is required, and whether to use tripod on certain shoots, whether to use particular type of lenses, whether it is a prime or zoom, whether it is a wide required, what is required. So we were not able to understand in our initial days. So now after shooting some point of time, we know that these lenses are required. So whether to buy those lenses or to rent from somewhere, that is what we just wanted to share, because it is a huge investment, and photography as a hobby is also very expensive, whether to buy a camera or not to buy a camera, because technology is evolving every day. So related to this only, we will be sharing our series. We might bring some of our other photographer colleagues for a 1 or 2 interviews.
We will also like to invite a couple of our viewers as well, if they want to share their experiences, their knowledge, their learning.
You have any thoughts, please leave comments, subscribe to our channel, or reach out to us directly on our Instagram pages. We are not saying we are professionals, or we are or we have achieved what we want to do, but we are getting there, and it's a journey. Everyone is working to get there. So it'll be good to share our experience, hear from you, your experience, and hope the series becomes exciting for you.
This series of videos will be uploaded on all our handles.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Hope to
Thank you,
keep the
guys.
conversation
Yes.
going.
Yes. Thank you. Take care. See you soon.
Stay safe.
Thank you.